My wife is a singer, and so knowing that I'll be able to continue hearing her and hearing music the way she performs it is important for me.
It just kind of feels like everything's been brought back into balance. So it's kind of restored everything back to the center line.
No one appears to be mumbling.
Okay.
So maybe that means they never were.
Right.
I was surprised that I could hear the conversations 2 or 3 seats down. I was more aware of the direction that it was coming from.
Conversations on the bus didn't seem to be anything was overpowering whatsoever. There was no humming or buzzing noise in my ears at all.
I think what surprised me today, what I didn't expect, is how natural things sound. It was very clear that it's different.